Serializing class instance to Json. I am trying to create a JSON string representation of a class instance and having difficulty. Let's say the class is built like this. A call to the json.dumps is made like this. It is failing and telling me that the test class is not JSON serializable. I have also tried using the pickle module, and it gives class instance information but not a serialized content of the class instance. What am I doing wrong?
The basic problem is that the JSON encoder json.dumps only knows how to serialize a limited set of object types by default, all built-in types. List here, this URL. One good solution would be to make your class inherit from JSON and then implement the JSON or function, and make that function emit the correct JSON for your class. A simple solution would be to call json.dumps on the _dict_member of that instance. That is a standard Python dict, and if your class is simple it will be JSON serializable. The above approach is discussed in this blog posting. Serializing arbitrary Python objects to JSON using _dict_. And, of course, Python offers a built-in function that accesses ._dict__ for you, called vars. So the above example can also be done as
I just do. This is not the full answer, and if you have some sort of complicated object class you certainly will not get everything. However, I use this for some of my simple objects. One that it works really well on is the options class that you get from the option parser module. Here it is along with the JSON request itself.
There's one way that works great for me that you can try out. JSON.dumps can take an optional parameter default where you can specify a custom serializer function for unknown types, which in my case looks like. First two ifs are for date and time serialization. And then there is a obj.__dict__ returned for any other object. The final call looks like. It's especially good when you are serializing a collection and you don't want to call __dict__ explicitly for every object. Here it's done for you automatically. So far worked so good for me, looking forward for your thoughts.
Using John Pickle.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.